Hi everyone, I'm Rebecca Sweet with Garden Design, and I'm on vacation in Maine, and we are just having fun walking the streets of the small villages, which are darling. And I came upon this giant hydrangea behind me, if you can see it here. And it really reminded me of something that I recently read about in the latest issue of Gardens Illustrated magazine. And it's a term which I'm so mad I didn't think of, because one of my favorite talks to give is titled "Don't Snub the Shrub," and I'm very proud of that title, as silly as it is. But the term Gardens Illustrated introduced to me is called Trub. Why didn't I think of that? And it's obviously the combination of a tree and a shrub. And what they're referring to is when people think they need a tree in their garden to add height, when actually what they need is a taller shrub. Shrubs that can be trained, you can limb them up so you can underplant underneath them. Why this is a good idea is because trees, they're just going to keep on growing. They're going to grow 20, 30, 40 feet. And that oftentimes outgrows the space. If you think you're going to keep it lower at the 20-foot, 15-foot range, that's going to require a lot of work, and it's not healthy for the tree. So if you choose a shrub that has multiple stems, woody stems, and you start to limb them up, you take off the lower foliage into more of a tree shape, they will max out at about maybe the 12 to 15 foot height, which is perfect for so many garden beds. That also allows you to underplant underneath them, giving you that layered garden. Now, in this instance here, this is amazing. This is a hydrangea, which is huge. It's escaped somehow, reseeded, and it has been allowed to grow its full height. It would be really easy to go in, strip off those lower layers of leaves, and plant underneath it, and it would be spectacular. Now, you can reverse this and plant an evergreen shrub that stays green all year if that's what you want, and put deciduous perennials underneath. So you can see how you can play with this idea of a shrub. Other examples might be osmanthus. They grow fairly quickly, and you can let them do their thing and then strip off those lower leaves. They have a really pretty bark that's kind of white and speckled, white and brown speckled as it gets older. Very pretty, and it's evergreen, has a wonderful fragrance. Another example would be a Philadelphus. Common name is mock orange, but those are deciduous. They have an incredible scent, and you could do the same thing. Let those grow tall, maybe 8 feet tall. Strip off the lower foliage so you have that shrub shape. So anyway, I hope you've enjoyed this little lesson on the shrub.